In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Framer URL. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to edit, so your project lives at a cleaner, more memorable at the address using a free Framer subdomain. Start inside your project in Framer. Look toward the top area of the interface and find the small gear icon for settings. It can sit in the toolbar or the sidebar depending on your layout, but it's always labeled clearly. Click it to open the project's settings panel. This is where Framer keeps all the behind-the-scenes controls that affect how your site is configured, published, and shared, so it's the right place to make URL changes. Once the settings panel is open, move to the domain section. This is the dedicated area for managing your site address. You'll see options related to both the free Framer subdomain and any custom domains you may connect later. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the free option that Framer provides, so you can quickly change your project's URL without touching DNS or external registrars. Inside the domain section, locate the option labeled Get a Free Framer Subdomain. Select it to reveal the field where you can set or update your site's subdomain. This is what visitors will type into their browser, so think of it as your project's public face on the web. Type the name you want into the subdomain field. Keep it short, clear, and relevant to your brand or project. Avoid spaces and special characters. Stick to lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens for the cleanest result. If the name you choose is already taken, Framer will let you know, so try simple variations like adding a hyphen, a relevant keyword, or your region. Aim for something you won't mind saying out loud, because that's a good test of memorability and professionalism. Consistency matters too. If your social handles or brand name follow a certain pattern, mirror that here to make your online presence feel cohesive. When the name shows as available, confirm the change. Framer will apply your new subdomain and your project will be accessible at the updated URL. Give it a few moments if the change doesn't appear immediately and refresh your browser. After updating, remember that any old links you previously shared won't point to the new address, so plan to update bookmarks, documentation, and team notes to avoid confusion. That's it. Your Framer URL is now updated using a free subdomain. If you found this helpful, keep exploring the domain section for more advanced options when you're ready.